everyone, Tai Chi is a really gentle exercise that's a great way to get your body moving in the mornings, really release any stress and tension and stiffness that you have in the body and get the joints going. So I've got a lovely routine, it's very gentle, it's very easy to follow, just feel your own flow and just enjoy the movement. It's lovely Tai Chi and QiGong combined together into this morning routine. Starting in our parallel stance, we're going to regulate the breath. Breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out as the arms lower, keeping everything relaxed, feeling the flow, focusing on the moving hands and trying to connect our mind to body. Sinking into horse stance. Lifting the hands all the way up and pushing high, holding up the heavens. Transferring our weight over from side to side as we push out and pull back. Sinking into a deeper horse stance, regulating the breath. Opening the chest, opening the heart, feel that expansion across the chest and feel the openness of this movement. Lifting up again to holding up the heavens, this time extending the arms out to the sides and feeling a nice stretch of the body. Circling the hands to feel the energy flow and pushing out to both stands to the side. Let's bring the arms around and hug the tree as we hold that horse stance. Circling the arms high, really big in-breath here, and then relaxing and breathing out as the hands come down. Let's hold our horse stance, a little bit of extra strength training here, and then repeat that again, gathering the chi. Transferring our weight with a step back and a step forward and pushing through with the arms. Feel that energy between the hands. Repeating that movement and taking the push to a slightly higher position. Returning to our regulating the breath, breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out as the hands lower, and really focus on that breath, trying to connect the mind to body. Holding up the heavens. Thanks everybody for joining me in this morning Tai Chi session. Do remember to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content here. It really does help support me. Thanks again and hope to see you soon. Bye.